Hi everyone, welcome back to Harness Gitspaces. I am Khushi and today we are spending a day with Maria to see how Gitspaces makes her life as a developer easier and more efficient. But first, what is a Gitspace? Gitspace is your on-demand remote development environment that can be spun up in just one click. So think of it as an environment that comes pre-configured with everything you need. Tools, libraries, dependencies, and even your favorite IDE. All set up so that you can focus on coding, not configuring. So, what are we waiting for? Let's dive in and see how Maria spends her day.
Maria starts her day like most of us by checking her Slack messages. Today, there's an urgent ping about a code change for an application she developed last month. Sounds simple, right? Except she recently switched devices and doesn't have the project set up anymore. No dependencies, no configurations. Thankfully, Maria had been using Gitspaces for this project. Within seconds, Maria is able to start her Gitspace, and that too in her favorite IDE. Now with her environment ready, Maria dives into the urgent code change. But first, she wants to review her previous pull request. She opens up the pull request window and reviews her changes, all within her Gitspace. She has made the necessary code changes as you can see the file. Now all that's left is for her to commit and push these. She can either do it from the source control view or can also use the CLI commands. A quick push and the changes are live. Later in the day, Maria is helping onboard a few new teammates to her project. Now if you've ever been through developer onboarding, you know it can be a pain, right? Setting up environments, installing dependencies, troubleshooting configurations. It's a time sink.
But for Maria and her teammates, the experience is seamless. She introduces John and Steve to their company's secret weapon, Gitspaces. With Gitspaces, they can instantly spin up fully configured, ready-to-use environments with just a few clicks. No more tedious device setups, dependency installations, or manual configuration. What used to take days now takes hours. In no time, John and Steve are up and coding, all thanks to Gitspaces.
In the afternoon, Maria tackles her next task, deploying some code changes. She logs into the Harness UI and notices her existing Gitspace already has some updates she made earlier. She opens it, finalizes the changes, and gets them deployment ready in no time. Seamless, efficient, and just another reason she loves Gitspace. She can directly track and monitor code changes from the Harness UI. Later, Maria gets a slightly panicked Slack message from her friend, who recently started using Gitspaces. She forgot to stop her Gitspace yesterday. Maria, being the helpful friend she is, explains the magic of auto-stopping. Gitspaces automatically stop after 30 to 45 minutes of inactivity, so you don't have to worry about forgotten environments draining resources. Not only this, but this feature also allows you to pick up right where you left off when it's restarted. Crisis averted yet again.
And that's a day in Maria's life with Gitspaces. From spinning up environments in seconds to helping her teammates on board and deploying her changes effortlessly, Gitspaces makes her workflow smooth, efficient, and stress-free. If you haven't tried it yet, it's time to experience the magic of Gitspaces for yourself. Thanks for watching and see you next time.